Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time on my channel, my name is Anne, and if you have been here already, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how I created this pink holiday inspired makeup look. It's a super easy look, so let's get started. The first thing I'm gonna do, like always, is prime my eyelids. I'm using my all-time favorite MAC Cosmetics Soft Ochre Paint Pot. I really love to use this because it removes redness from the eyelid and it will make sure that my eyeshadow is gonna stay in place all day. Now to apply this, I always use the Sigma Beauty P84 brush, which is my favorite brush to apply this. It's like a small kabuki brush. It just applies really evenly and really nice. So for today's video, I'm gonna take this palette from Huda Beauty, which is the Neon Pink palette. It's really beautiful. I think I have used it one time before on my channel. I'm not quite sure, but if I do, I will make sure to link that video down in the description bar in case you want to see another video where I use the same palette. So I'm gonna start with blending this light color all over the crease. This is gonna be like the base crease color. And I took a blending brush from the brand Makeup Addiction, and I'm just gonna sweep my brush from back and forth to really make this color stand out all over in the crease. I feel like for the step that I'm doing right now, you want to go in with a blending brush which is not too small but also not too big. You want to kind of have like a brush like the Sigma E40, for example. So now I'm gonna take this shade, which is more like a purpley pink. It's really beautiful. I started with packing this on in the outer V, and then I started softly blending this more towards the middle part of the crease as well. This is just gonna create some darkness. I felt like for this look I wanted to go at least in with one more shade for in the crease area because the other shade was quite soft. And this is definitely making it a little bit more dark. Then I'm gonna take this shade right there, which is like a pinky shimmery color, really pretty, and I'm gonna use my finger to apply this. This is how it looks on a brush, but I feel like personally using your finger just gives more color payoff, and I just like to use my finger. Definitely try it out if you're used to using brushes. Your fingers give so much more color payoff. The only thing is when you use a brush you can be a little bit more precise since your finger is a lot bigger and a brush is sometimes more flat. But for this particular eye look that we're doing today, we don't have to be super precise. So using your finger is good. You can do that. Then now I applied some concealer underneath the eyes, also a little bit underneath the outer end of the eye to make the edge look more clean. Then now for the next step, I'm going back in with this purpley pink color with a Morphe M506. And I'm also mixing it with that light color we used all the way at the beginning. And I'm just gonna blend it all the way underneath the lower lash line, going back and forth with my brush. Whenever I do eye look like this, I always tend to use the same colors that I used in the crease, also for underneath the lower lash line, just to kind of keep it in the same color undertone. Then now I take this shade and I'm gonna use that to pop it in the inner corner. I always love it whenever I use a shimmer on the eyelid to also use something for in the inner corner. I just feel like it kind of complements the whole eye look. Then I'm gonna take this pencil from Urban Decay. I think it's called Rockstar, not sure, but I will make sure to mention all the products I'm using in the description bar like I always do. I'm gonna use this for a new waterline. It's like a really beautiful purple color, but not too purple. It's more like a neutral dark purple. It's really pretty. Then I'm gonna curl my lashes using this lash curler from Tweezerman. This is a really good one. I really like to use it. And then for my mascara, I'm gonna use my all-time favorite mascara, which is by Benefit Cosmetics, which is called the Roller Lash Mascara. I use it in almost every video. I really like it. I'm gonna get my lashes lifted next week. I'm really excited for that because my upper lashes aren't super long. So I'm really excited to see how that's gonna look, and you guys will definitely see it in one of my upcoming videos. Then I'm gonna apply some fake lashes. These are from my own lash company, which is called Anytude, and I'm going in with the style Sultry, which is really nice. It's like a really nice lash style for if you don't want to go too dramatic but also not too natural. It's like a really beautiful wispy lash style, so I'm gonna apply it right above the lash line. And then this is the end of the video. I really hope you all enjoyed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy. This is really helpful for my YouTube channel. I created this eye look because I asked you guys what kind of color looks do you want to see next for my 5-minute looks, because I've done a lot of neutrals and a lot of you said purple, blue, pink. So here's the pink version. I really hope you all enjoyed. Definitely let me know in the comments down below what kind of color you want me to use next for one of my upcoming 5-minute eye looks. And yeah, I just hope you enjoyed, and hopefully I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys!